we're staying in the same drawing, and I have my work done because I saved it. And now we'll discuss rectangles and polygons. I'm sure I mentioned the rectangle in the previous videos, but we're gonna go through some detail about this. Let's go ahead and go and work on this place right here in this entrance. I have this model view saved for you. It's on top, custom model views entrance. Now it takes me to this entrance that I have saved for you. If you're not happy with this view, you can zoom in, zoom out, pan a little bit to adjust the view that you have. Let's go ahead and choose rectangle and our layer, which is eyewall. It asks me to specify first point, but in the command line it asks for chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness, and width. We'll discuss the few of these things in the future, but for the elevation we don't have to use that right now because it's a two-dimensional project. It's an X and Y direction. Maybe in 3D model view or a project, we'll discuss that. Let's go ahead and specify the first corner and second corner. That's it. I have my rectangle made. When I put my cursor on it, it shows it as a polyline. It's a one object, it's a one solid object. It doesn't separate each side as one line. No, it's one object, it's a polyline. Now let's go ahead and choose the other command, which is the polygon. Maybe I have some design or a texture on the floor. I should specify my layer as iFloor. Now pay attention to this. You see this right here? It means it's frozen. I can't choose it, and I can't even work with it. When I click, it literally tells me cannot be made the current layer because it's frozen. So I should go back again and release it from the freeze or something. Now it's free to use. So I click iFloor. There it is. I have it chosen. So I have the polygon selected. It asked me the number of sides. In a rectangle, it didn't ask me number of sides because it's a four-sided object. It knows it's a four-sided. It doesn't have to ask. But for the polygon, it can go more than four. It's a hexagonal and so on. So we will work with the hexagonal. I'll choose 6 sides and press enter. There is something with polygons. There are so many ways and types to draw them. Maybe from the inside circle, maybe from outside circle, or with the edges. In this project right here, I'll work with the edges. So I'll right click and choose edge. Now it asks me to choose the first endpoint of edge. Let's go ahead and give it this point right here. So you see when I go, it grows and so on. So I'll choose the second endpoint. There it is. As you can see, the polygon that I have made, it really doesn't make any sense. So I'll just go ahead and delete it. When I have it selected, I'll go ahead and choose the erase command. It deleted it. Now let's go ahead and try to put a polygon inside this column. So again, I go choose my polygon, 6 sides, press enter. Now let's go ahead and try something else. Previously we did the edge. Now let's go ahead and specify the center. So the center of my polygon is going to be the center of this particular column. As I click the center, it gives me 2 options: inscribed circle and circumscribed about circle. I'll choose the first one, and you can go ahead and try the other one and tell me what you think in the comments. So I'll choose the first one, and now it asks me to specify the radius of the circle. Because I have my object snapping active, you can see this column or this yeah, let's just go ahead and say this column is not even, it's not square. So when I click, I have this space open. That's okay. I'll just go ahead and delete it. And maybe choose something else. Let's go ahead and try 7. Specify the center. Inscribed circle. It's not even because it's 7 sides. Just for practice, that's all. So that's everything with the rectangle and polygon commands.